Riga, the vibrant capital of Latvia, is a city where history and modern life blend seamlessly through its people, culture, and traditions. The residents of Riga reflect a rich Baltic identity shaped by centuries of foreign influence and strong national pride. Latvian is the official language, and folk traditions, especially song and dance festivals, remain central to cultural life. Religion in Riga is diverse, with Lutheranism, Roman Catholicism, and Eastern Orthodoxy all present, reflected in the city's historic churches and spiritual heritage. Freedom of belief is respected, and religious landmarks stand as symbols of resilience and identity. Architecturally, Riga is world-renowned for its Art Nouveau buildings, alongside medieval Old Town structures and modern developments. Iconic landmarks like the House of the Blackheads and Riga Cathedral highlight its unique urban landscape. Latvian cuisine in Riga features hearty and traditional dishes such as rye bread, smoked fish, potatoes, and grey peas with bacon, often enjoyed in cozy local settings. Politically, Riga serves as the center of Latvia's democratic government and economic activity, balancing European integration with national traditions and forward-looking policies in a rapidly evolving world. Riga, the capital of Latvia, lies along the Baltic Sea at the mouth of the Daugava River, giving it strategic geographic importance in northern Europe. This location has shaped its history as a major trade hub between East and West. Founded in 1201, Riga quickly grew under the Hanseatic League, becoming a powerful merchant city in medieval Europe. Throughout history, Riga has witnessed numerous wars and occupations. It was ruled by German crusaders, later controlled by the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth, then Sweden, and eventually the Russian Empire. In the 20th century, Riga endured both Nazi and Soviet occupations during and after World War II, deeply influencing its identity and development. After Latvia regained independence in 1991, Riga emerged as a symbol of national resilience and European integration. Today, it is a proud member of the European Union and NATO while maintaining complex historical and cultural ties with Russia. Riga is also the birthplace of notable figures such as philosopher Isaiah Berlin, film director Sergei Eisenstein, and basketball star Kristaps Porzingis. Tourism in Riga thrives thanks to attractions like the UNESCO-listed Old Town, Riga Cathedral, House of the Blackheads, Freedom Monument, and the Central Market.